Today, we will discuss the guidelines for Summer Internship Project SIP for the Master of Business Administration MBA under the Gujarat Technological University. These guidelines are applicable only for the academic year 2020-21. First, introduction. Summer Internship Project SIP is an integral part of the academic curriculum of MBA. The SIP guidelines stand revised for this year as per the directives received from All India Council for Technical Education. So according to these guidelines, it is mandated that students have to undertake the summer internship project from their homes, and they are not supposed to visit any industry or company for the same. It is mentioned that thus for this year only GTU allows SIP to be undertaken independently without being associated with any organization or company. Even if students are associated with an organization, it is mandated that the organization allows internship to be undertaken from the students' homes, thus assuring adequate social distancing. Objectives. The affiliation of the student with the organization, if applicable, will be strictly in an online mode only. The student will not go to the organization physically. In such cases, primary data collection work through internet mode only will be allowed. Students can also do SIP of industry analysis without getting affiliated with any organization. This analysis will include a detailed study of industry, its SWOT and PESTEL analysis, comparative analysis of major players in this specific industry, their competitive advantage and business strategies, and their outlook for future. Again, in objectives, the students can also carry out industry analysis of any one organized or unorganized sector in detail and check the impact of the pandemic COVID-19 on the selected industry as well as marketplace. The students may also work on any specific problem of the industry arising due to COVID-19 and may carry out an exploratory study on the future course of action to revive the industry. The students may also study the multi-dimensional organizational responses in the wake of government directives to control the impact of COVID-19, thus playing a complementary role. The students should ensure that the data and other information used in the study report are obtained with the permission of the organization concerned, thus ensuring the guidelines of the same. The students should also behave ethically and honestly with the organization. Next one, type of study. Students may carry out qualitative or quantitative research study on primary or secondary data depend on the selection of topic or problem and the scope of study. Primary data collection should be allowed only if there is no contact with other people and social distancing can be maintained. This could be done by filling up of questionnaires through Google Docs. For example, daily stock prices, online and social media activities and behavior, or questionnaire filled through online forms do not require the students to move out and thus can be allowed. Only such projects should be selected where students can access data on a daily basis while being within their homes. It is not required to study functional departments of the organization or company for this year in specific. Requirements of SIP. The student has to undertake a project and submit SIP report individually. Joint projects are not allowed in any case. The SIP process involves working under the mentorship of a faculty member of institute where the student is studying. Thereafter, the student should prepare a report and submit one copy to the organization if applicable, and one copy to the institute. Student may submit hard copy or soft copy of the report to the organization or institute as per their requirements. As far as possible, the student may obtain a certificate from the organization where the project was done if applicable, and attach the same with the copy submitted to the institute. In either case, institute or college certificate is mandatory. Another requirements are the university will arrange the external Viva voice for SIP at the start of academic year for the semester 3 for MBA. The students need to be ready with a 15-20 minutes presentation of the SIP project work undertaken. Plagiarism of SIP report should be less than 30%. If plagiarism is about 30%, the said report is not accepted for SIP Viva. Note: the SIP for this academic year shall commence from 7th May 2020. The duration of SIP of this academic year will be of 5 weeks. Although SIP starts before the commencement of the MBA second semester university examination, it will be included in MBA third semester grade sheet as subject code 4539200. Criteria for evaluation of SIP. The total marks for SIP project will be 200 and it carries 4 credits. The marks will be awarded in proportion of 70-30 by external and internal examiners respectively. Internal Viva. The institute has to conduct internal Viva at the institute level where internal faculty guide will give marks out of 60 to each students appearing for Viva. External Viva. External examiner shall be appointed by GTU. He or she will give marks out of 140 on the basis of following parameters. Which are these parameters? Parameters for evaluation. The marks will be awarded on the basis of following aspects. There are 3 components. First, introduction to the study. Here, it is required of having a clear understanding of the topic or subject. as well as a conceptual or theoretical framework of selected topics is also required, if any. Moreover, there is a requirement of review of literature to explore the theme and enhance the study, as well as the references. Second component, methodology. Here it is required to have a problem formulation, objectives, methodology, and design. Moreover, a structured approach of undertaking the project is also required. Here, in last component number 3, outcome. Here, it is required of having a proper analysis, conclusion, contribution, and learning. Note that students may use any qualitative or quantitative methods of data analysis depending upon the selected problem and scope of study. The examiner must focus on the work done by the students rather than the statistical tests or tools used by the students in their project reports. What are the formatting specifications for reports? These are specifications. The report is in a Word format. Font size are 12 for regular text, 1:14 for subtitles, and 1:6 for titles. Font type are Times New Roman. Line spacing 1.5. Margin 1.5 inch to left and 1 inch to all other sides. Page type A4. Alignment justified. Column specification is 1. Printing of report both sides of paper. Binding of the report spiral binding. Numbers of hard copies 1 hard copy, and student has to bring that 1 hard copy at the time of external SIP Viva, and student has to take back that hard copy of the report once the Viva is over. Word file should necessarily be converted to PDF format for online submission. So these are the guidelines for SIP for MBA students under Gujarat Technological University for academic year 2020-21. Thank you very much and all the best.